Also, for more on what Combs is facing, let's bring in former federal prosecutor Neama Rahmani. Thank you so much for joining us, because we need to break down these charges. Many know what sex trafficking is, but what do we know, and can you explain racketeering?
Racketeering is a powerful statute, and it was originally used by the feds to prosecute the mob. But you don't need to be a street gang or a cartel to be a criminal enterprise. It's really defined as a loose organization of two or more people that participate in racketeering, and there's different crimes that can constitute predicate acts for the purpose of the statute. So we're talking about sex trafficking, drug trafficking, bribery, assault, and even arson in Diddy's case. So as long as you have two or more of these crimes within a 10-year period and you have that criminal organization, you qualify under the federal racketeering statutes, and that's what the feds are alleging here.
And we're talking about a long period of time. They're saying going back as far as 2008, 2009. You know, I think some people are scratching their heads like, how could this go on for so long? Can you explain what led up to today and how it might relate to Combs's other legal issues?
Well, in many instances, this is the worst kept secret in Hollywood, but it really came out last November when Cassie Ventura filed that bombshell lawsuit. Now, of course, Diddy settled it the very next day with his longtime girlfriend, but it was too late. The allegations were public, and it really started a Me Too type situation where victim after victim came forward. Now, of course, those are all civil lawsuits, and they're all about money. But when you're dealing with sex acts that happen behind closed doors, prosecutors need victims who are willing to come forward and testify at a public trial against someone that they may have a business relationship with, against someone that they may be afraid of. So I think that was the impetus. And of course, we know that those search warrants that were executed in March probably uncovered a treasure trove of video evidence from Diddy's Miami and Los Angeles homes, because he reportedly videotaped many of these acts.
Well, Neama, then you had the video that was leaked of the hotel incident with his ex-girlfriend, and he apologized for that. But with that evidence, I mean, what does Combs' defense look like moving forward?
I mean, very difficult case to defend. People can lie, and witnesses, of course, can perjure themselves. But that video doesn't lie. That video of the Intercontinental Hotel here in Los Angeles from 2016, it was so powerful. And it was so powerful that Diddy, after denying all these allegations through his lawyers for months, finally had to apologize. Now, I don't think he's going to take any type of plea in this case. I mean, he's going to look at decades in federal prison if he does. He's going to fight it tooth and nail. But I think that's why video evidence is so powerful. And I think that's something that's going to be very difficult for jurors to ignore, because it was so disturbing. And if you believe the U.S. Attorney, Damon Williams in New York, Cassie was trying to escape when she was brutally attacked by Diddy, and that's why it was kidnapping.
Well, thank you so much for breaking this all down for us. We appreciate you being here with us this morning. Time right now, 9:20.